meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Orderbook provides a plug-and-play order book infrastructure without front end. How does this shift the traditional DEX paradigm for builders and trackers?
I can't actually hear you that well.
Okay,
Sorry.
I'm gonna.
Okay.
Orderly provides a plug-and-play order book infrastructure without the front end. How does this shift the traditional DEX paradigm for builders and traders?
Right. So that's a good word, plug and play. We just issued our flagship product called Orderly One 9 days ago, which is a no-code solution, or like a pump fund for perp dexes, all on top of the Orderly infrastructure, which is live on 18 different chains with low fees, 1 to 3 basis points, good liquidity, multi-collateral, and now creators can launch their own perp dex on top of us using Orderly One without any code, and they can do it branded and they can get a spin up a DEX in 10 minutes, and it's kind of gone viral. And we have almost 1,000 DEXs created in the last 9 days. It's only been not live for 9 days, and we're seeing all types of creators from meme coins to KOLs to communities spin up their own perp DEX. So I think it's kind of started this perp DEX revolution.
Many projects struggle with liquidity fragmentation. How does Orderly's shared liquidity model empower smaller DEXs or poolers to compete with major exchanges?
Right, so we were multi-chain by design, right? So users can deposit and withdraw from any of 18 different chains. We're also multi-collateral, so they can use native BNB, Sol, ETH as collateral, in addition to USCC and USDT. One order book, so it doesn't fragment the liquidities. And then now we have all types of people building on top of us, including people who don't have their own dev teams, so creators. So then this is also aggregating liquidity together instead of fragmenting.
Yeah. For developers integrating Orderly into their apps, what's the most powerful yet often overlooked feature that can transform user experience?
Well, I think for developers, we have a very good set of SDKs that they can, but I think the major unlock that we did with Orderly One are the creators, the KOLs and the communities, because they don't have their own dev teams. They don't know much about creating their own products. And we allow them to create their own branded DEX on top of Orderly in a few minutes. That's kind of the unlock that we did. Yeah.
And the last question, sorry, did I interrupt you?
No.
Looking forward, how do you see Orderly shaping the future of cross-chain DeFi trading and responsibility for the broader ecosystem?
Right, so we call ourselves the exchange layer. We want to be the exchange that powers all types of applications on top. And we're live on so many different chains with collateral. We want to get to permissionless listings. And now we've decentralized, we made front ends permissionless. We made the DEX creation process permissionless. So we look forward to all types of creators who otherwise can't create their own products, their own exchange products. Now they can with the Orderly One. I see the future, all of finance being on chain on the back end and liquidity, but the front end will be more and more customized and AI driven so that anyone can have their own custom front end driven by AI, adapted to their own needs. That's how we see things going.